Good morning. If you don't know who I am, I'm Ginny. LearnWithGinny.com is where you can find some free training for your home business. So today's topic, really quick because I have a lot to do and I got to get to work. So how do you come up with ideas to talk about in your emails, on your blog posts, or on your videos? So, and then I did see this question too, where I have a lot of ideas. How do I get the nerve to do a video? And you know what? A lot of us just have a lot of excuses. I don't feel comfortable on video. I never have. You should see my first one. So, you could probably find it. So people say, I'm not creative. You don't have to be creative. You can find ideas on other people's blogs as long as you're not, infringing on the copyright, right? You just grab the ideas because, as you're going out there, everybody has problems that you can talk about. And when it comes to your home business, your product solves one of those problems, right? So as long as you don't get all spammy and talking about the products all the time, talk about the problems and how to solve those problems. Okay? So here are some of the excuses that I wrote down. Like, I'm not creative. I just said that. You just find your ideas. One idea that I got from Ray Higdon, which was really cool, is if you're, let's say, in the health and wellness, when you're standing in the grocery line, all those magazine headlines, just snap a picture of them because they're there for a reason, and those are professional copywriters that write those headlines. So I'm telling you that those headlines get somebody's attention, and that will give you lots of ideas. So the next excuse I hear is, I don't know anything. Of course you know something. You know something that somebody else doesn't know. You know something that will help someone. So get out there and help someone, right? I don't look good on video. Okay. I don't think I look good on video either. I've done hot, sweaty videos. I've done videos where, my lumberjack series on YouTube, you should see those. I'm working in the woods. But I can't, ideas come to me sometimes when I'm working hard. So who cares what you look like if you're getting the words across to your audience, and your audience isn't going to care either. So don't worry about that. And lastly, I'm afraid to press that live button. And believe me, I remember the first time I did a live, I'm like, I couldn't make myself press that button because I knew as soon as I went live that people would see me. Guess what? I don't think very many people saw that first one anyway. So it's not that big a deal. Just do it. And every time you do it, that's it. Just do it. Okay? So be committed to doing what you need to do to get your business. And if video is not it, then write emails or something. You need to be doing something for your business. And if you need some tools and you need some help, go to my website, sign up for an appointment, or get in touch with me. I mean, I'm learning stuff every day, and I'm happy to share with you what I'm learning. So that was it. I just have a few notes here. Make it a great day, and I hope that helped you, and see you around.